What's up, guys? How you guys been doing? It's been a very long time since we posted a tutorial on our YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can convert a PDF file into a Word file by using this website called pdfsimply.com. So the first thing is open the website pdfsimply.com. You're gonna find the link in the description below this video. After that, you can sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. For me, I will choose my Google account. I think I have too many Google accounts, so I'm gonna choose one of them. After that, you're gonna log into your profile in the website. So the page is loading. I'm gonna wait for a few minutes or a few seconds. So as you guys see, that's the page. The first thing that you should do is click new here in the top left and then file upload. Now as you can see, add files or drag or drop files. So I'm gonna click add file. After that, I'm gonna choose one of the files that I have in my laptop. For example, this one. So I'm gonna choose this PDF file, click open, and now all you have to do is wait for a few seconds. So the PDF file is here, guys. I'm gonna select the file, and then you can click on convert PDF to Word or convert Word to PDF. If you have a Word file and you want it as PDF, you can do a lot of cool things in this website. So I'm gonna choose convert PDF to Word, like this one, and I'm gonna select the file again, this file, click open, wait for a few minutes or seconds, and that's it. Uploaded successfully, and then you're gonna find the Word file here. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials from our team. Thank you guys so much. Bye.